Oh, I thought I had a silencer on this gun. What the fuck? Oh fuck, it's not silenced. Oops. I have a laser sight. How do you turn on the laser sight? L? Nope.
T.
T. Oh, does the laser sight actually help, or?
Yeah, for like hip firing.
Oh, so something I'm never gonna do. I guess I could just
Hip
leave
fire
it
is
on
actually
though.
really good in this game.
I guess I'll just leave it on though. Might
Like
as well.
up close, I always hip fire.
You know, I'll just leave it on. It doesn't hurt.
Yeah, like up close in this game, always hip fire spray.
Really, it's better.
It's like the best hip fire.
You in?
What? Yeah, dude, I'm already like
Oh, where?
down the road. Hear those shots?
I was waiting.
That was you?
No, I was waiting for you.
Is that you
no.
shooting?
No,
That wasn't
no.
me either, but that was close.
I ran up the road. I took a right though. Maybe I have to go straight. Let me run back to the spawn because I was waiting at the spawn for you. Thought you were in it.
Hear those shots?
There's one. Yeah, I hear that now.
Towards that.
Go towards that. Okay. Oh, I see this orange fuel container here. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna go through a hole with a brick in it. I'm sorry, a brick hole. Oh, is that you? Nope, that's not you.
Is that you getting shot at?
Yep, hit him once. I'm inside like the shed area. I'm behind a car right now.
You're inside the walls, right?
Yeah, I went through a brick wall. My gun's on fucking single fire. Why is it started up in single fire? I don't know where he ran to though. I'm scared.
So you inside the courtyard, yes or no?
Ah! Ow, 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 I'm gonna die.
Dead?
I'm going to. I'm outside the wall, behind the brick wall. Killed one. One, last one's lit. There's one more there. He's lit hard. Hit him like 4 or 5 times. His buddy's dead. They're behind a garbage can, through a brick wall. Where we spawned, go straight. You'll see an orange gas tank. Oh, maybe I didn't hit him. I swear I did though. Fuck. His buddy's dead.
Were you inside the courtyard or out?
No, outside of the wall. They both pushed me outside of the wall. I killed one, but the other guy sprayed me down. Where the brick wall is. Right where we spawned, just go straight. You'll see an orange tank. They're up there. He's gonna be a while. He has to loot all his friends.
Well, the orange tanker at the truck?
Yeah, you keep on going forward. You'll see. There's a hole with a brick and there's like a garbage cans there. Pressed up against the wall. He's behind there. Probably hiding.
Like inside the courtyard?
No, outside. Still outside the wall, beside the road.
Oh, okay. By the bus or what?
I think it was more up. Can't remember now. You'll see a hole with a brick wall with a hole in it. Small hole beside garbage cans.
Oh, I'm right there.
Yeah, he should be around there. You'll see my dead body and his, and he's alive somewhere.
I just saw him. Oh my god, he just moved.
Luca?
Shut up. Hold on.
Good shit. Did you see his friend there?
Yeah, hold on. Another one. Another one. Fucking bitch. That's what's up, nigga.
Yeah, I fucking fucked up this friend, didn't Just drop my shit on the ground if you can, otherwise just leave it out and go.
There's like a
Get
fucking
there.
little scab bitch here I gotta grab.
They got dumpstered on, fuck them.